Hello. My name is Virginia Bode, and this is videobeaux. This is the light snow program mode. Snow is the indistinguishable snow near the streetlight, unclear if it lands or melts. In video, snow is a random dot pixel pattern of static. I hope you enjoy it. Try it out.
Well, it looks like this year again, one more year to go ahead and try to provide a real nice, exciting thing for the children around us. We want to thank VISD for all its support and help today, especially on this tournament, getting the information out to the kids. It's all about the children and having a real fun event. It's not indoors, but outside. I think with the response and the help of the VISD, I think we're going to expect more than 2,000 gifts tomorrow. We have 2,000 rods and reels and t-shirts to give away, and there's a lot of vendors that are going to be out here providing drinks and water and everything like that. So it's a fun day event, and we look forward to having all the families out here and enjoying themselves.
We are very happy to have our Porter High School soccer camp here helping Cook for Life to steward and throw out the fish into the lake. Really exciting experience for the students. Big fish, a lot of fish. So the tournament is this Saturday, and we hope to see a lot of VISD kids here.
Well, this is a great event for them. This is a different experience. I've seen them and just observing their faces and under the feet. I don't think they had this experience before. I think they had a great history, and now they're kind of protecting the community.
Rallies have been invited to different community events. There's a lot of businesses in the area that want to congratulate you on a huge success for the accomplishment. Right now, we need the captain for the tournament, and they're really excited about it, and you can see they're having a blast. And we tell them, we're supposed to enjoy every minute as part of the championship, the accomplishment that they keep brought to the city. We're gladly representing the group and gladly getting all the invites and all that. So what else can we do? We're going there too. Now they're being exposed to many different activities. They got to meet a lot of people from the community, politicians, board members, or superintendents. They've been dealing with all these people, and at the same time, they're learning that all those are bridges, or those are doors that they might have after they graduate, they go to school. There's going to be people connected that they have, and now use this as a motivation to do well in college and come back and give back to the community. So that's our main thing. Get to know these people and use it more to their advantage. Use their soccer, stay to their sport, come back and give back to Toronto. They're receiving a lot. They'll start to come in and give back to the community.